Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to create digital products using Canva step by step in 2026, even if you're a complete beginner. Canva is one of the easiest tools to create and sell digital products like ebooks, planners, templates, workbooks, social media kits, and more without any design experience. Let's start from the beginning. First, log into your Canva account. If you have Canva Pro, that's even better, but you can still create digital products using the free version. Now decide what type of digital product you want to create. For example, an ebook, a printable planner, a social media template, or a checklist. Once you're clear, go to the Canva homepage and search for that product type in the search bar. Click on a template that matches your product idea. Choose a clean professional layout that's easy to customize and suitable for your audience. Next, start customizing the design. Change the text, fonts, and colors to match your brand or niche. Make sure your text is readable and your layout is consistent across all pages. Now focus on the content. Your digital product should solve a clear problem or provide value. Use simple language, clear headings, and structured sections so users can easily follow along. If you're creating a multi-page product like an ebook or planner, duplicate pages to save time and keep the design consistent. You can also add elements like icons, shapes, and images, but avoid overloading the design. Simple and clean designs sell better. Once your product design is complete, it's time to prepare it for delivery. Click on the Share button and choose Download. For most digital products, select PDF print for high quality or PDF standard for smaller file size. If you're selling editable templates, make sure to share the Canva template link instead of a PDF. Before selling, always download and review your digital product. Check spacing, spelling, alignment, and overall flow. Now your digital product is ready to sell. You can upload it to platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, Shopify, or your own website. And that's how to create digital products using Canva step by step in 2026. If you found this guide helpful, like the video, subscribe for more Canva and online business tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.